and this all ugly one. Okay, this is very ugly steering wheel to compare to this one. This is much better. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install this steering wheel, the airbag on all our Volkswagen Golf mk4. And some people will say how it's possible, but it is possible, and I'm gonna show you how to weld the wires and how to install the airbag, and it will work. When you begin your job, you have to disconnect your battery. You just go under the hood and disconnect one or two minus and plus wires to the battery, and you will not have any power in the car, and you can start your job. To begin your job, you have to install the steering wheel in this position. There is one hole here, and there are a lot of videos that people explain how to take off this airbag, and it is pretty easy. You just need to take the screwdriver flat or round, better, because it shouldn't be very bright, and you have to pull it in this position, install in this position, and just lift it up, install like this, and as you can see, it popped off. Yeah, have to rotate your wheels back. Took the airbag, you have to press this, disconnect this yellow connector. You just need to press these two tabs, you will be able to take it off easy. And after that, we will just unscrew the central bolt and install another steering wheel. This job, you need to take these torques. You need about 55. Yeah, actually there are more teeth, as you can see. You have to buy special tools, but I don't have special socket for this bolt, and I'm gonna use this one, T55, and also it should work very good. You just install your socket into the place. You grab your impact gun, or you can use regular wrench, and you have to hold the steering wheel, and then just unscrew this bolt. As you can see, we have here a thread locker. We have to use another one, but yeah, it should hold without any problem. Next thing is, actually you have here this mark that shows us the center of the steering wheel position. Here's the mark, upper mark, and you have to match it with your steering wheel, and it will show you the center of the steering wheel. Yep, you just need to disassemble your steering wheel. Yeah, we will use this connector for our steering wheel, but for now we will install the new one. Don't rotate this thing. You need to take your your new steering wheel. In this hole need match these plastic two tabs and just install it back. As you can see, this hole is a little bit bigger than OEM one, and yeah, the dust should come inside, but I don't care about the dust. In this case, as you can see, this hole is a little bit bigger, but it's not a big problem at all, in my opinion. Yeah, we will use thread locker and to install this bolt back. Also, we will wire the wires, and it should work very well. And I will install it back. I can tighten more. More. I think it is enough. It should be enough. Yeah, it's very tight because I used number 3. Yeah, it should be enough, certainly. Yeah. We need to cut this old connector because we will use it on our new steering wheel. Don't cut too short, because it will not comfortable. You can just cut about here, and that's it. Here's our diagram. We have here our connector. As you can see, this is very easy to understand. Here we have 4 wires, yeah, and as you can see, here we have 1 tab, and from the right side should be the wire number 1. This is number 1. This is wire number 1. This is number 2, number 4, number 3, number 4, number 5. We don't have like number 5 actually in this steering wheel because it's not multi-steering wheel. And here's our diagram. The number 1, the wire number 1 is responsible for airbag. The number 2 also is responsible for our airbag. The number 3 and number 4 are responsible for our honk. Yeah, new connector. Yeah, this is our new connector, and actually, yeah, we can also understand what's going on here. If you first time see the airbag, you probably confused, but it's also very easy to understand what's going on here. The 2 wires here, go to the airbag, and they are dark green and black, and you can find them here. You can find here also, you see here black and dark gray, 2 wires, and you have to, we can see here, we can continue, and black, dark green, it should go to the number 1, and black should go to number 2. It means number 1 is here. Dark green, this number 1 go to the green wire, and number 2 should go to the black. We will cut them and solder them together. And also we have here another 2 wires. They are responsible for honk. And the next step, you have to open this connector. We will not use it anymore. 3 green, black and brown we need to cut completely from our connector. Yeah. And we will weld them to the new.
And to finish the job, okay, I will repeat a little bit. The number 1 is connected to the green that goes to the airbag. The number 2 is connected to the airbag to the black wire. Number 3 is connected to the to the honk. This number 3 is blue white, and brown is connected also to the honk. Yeah, as you can see here this wire is go to the honk, and the brown also is go to the honk. And we put the wrap and we will
to finish this job, guys. I need to install the airbag back into the car. As you can see, I welded the wires, soldered them together, and I will just install this connector back into the car. The airbag is installed. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Looks nice, guys. Yeah. And this old ugly one. Okay, this is very ugly steering wheel to compare to this one. This is much better. So, guys, now how I didn't do the deep cleaning, but I just wiped a little bit, and this is how a new steering wheel look like. This is 2016 probably, I forgot. And actually you can install steering wheels probably until 2019. They changed only the connectors themselves, but you can install from 2006, 2007, 8. It doesn't matter. The most important thing, you have to know which wire you have to solder, and yeah, it works. The honk works, and we'll just drive it and see how it looks. This steering wheel is from 2011 probably, and I prefer another one. And this is the steering pack. the wires could have completely another color.